back to my channel. Happy Halloween, happy Wednesday. I hope you're all doing great, and I'm back with another video. And today I want to make it pretty short because I know people are going out trick-or-treating. People already did. If you're further along in the day than I am, it is about 4 o'clock my time. But yeah, I wanted to do a quick video. Alright, like I said, it's going to be a quick video. What I'm going to do is I am going to go on the Sephora app, and I will post it up here somewhere on the screen for you guys to see what I'm looking at. And we're going to go through what Sephora recommends me and what I might buy and what I'm definitely not going to buy. So I know Sephora is having a sale right now, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below any other videos you guys might want to see, maybe products that you are going to buy that I'm not going to buy, products that I'm going to buy that you're not, or yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, let's get into the video. Let's start. I have my phone right here. It's connected because it's about to die. Alright, we are going to record our screen. 1, 2, 3. That's the Sephora app. We're gonna go new for me. And we're gonna go under recommended for you. Okay. Is there a way? Okay. So we are just going to hit this first one that says it's the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask Mini. So if you guys don't know, I do buy a lot of mini items because I like to try them out first before I buy the full items, especially at Sephora because they're so expensive. So I usually buy the minis before I buy the large, and if I don't like it, then I didn't spend that much on the large. I didn't spend that much, and I also don't have much of the product, so I can always have something like my mom tried or try it out, and maybe it'll work for them. So that's why I always use mini, and I think that's why it recommends minis, because I always buy minis. Nothing wrong with that. Alright, so the Briogeo mask, $9. What does this do? What is it? It's an intensive weekly treatment to restore essential hydration and enhance hair's resilience and strength. Restores moisture, creates vibrancy. See, prevents future damage. Okay, so I'm not gonna buy this. Just not interested. I use a different condition or deep conditioning, so, and it's a lot cheaper. Well, yeah, it's a lot cheaper and it's the full price. So anyway, so the next item is the Sephora Collection Solid Brush Cleaner. I actually am interested in buying this because wait. Okay. I'm actually not interested in buying this because I need the one that you just like swirl your brush in it and then it's clean. I need one of those because I have limited brushes, and every time I do a look I have to clean them and I have to wait for them to dry. So this doesn't really work out for me. So this is not something I'm interested in buying. So I'm sorry, Sephora, but no thank you. The Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow. $29. $29. I'm gonna pass. I don't need that. That's also very expensive for one eyeshadow. $30. No, thank you. So I'm gonna pass on that. And so far, and I want you guys to know that it's not because I hate these brands. It's not because I'm shading them. It's none of that. I just don't need it, and why spend money on things I don't need? So that's why I'm not buying these. Now there is brands that I do not buy from, so we'll see if they're recommended here. Beauty blender. I won't be buying it. $20 is a lot for a beauty blender. I buy the Morphe sponge, which is like $7 to $8. So I won't be buying this. I don't buy anything beauty blender. I don't hate them. Absolutely not. I do have a beauty blender. I just don't use it as much as the Morphe sponge because the Morphe sponge is more affordable. And if you do makeup, you know that the Morphe or the you know that you go through those sponges very quickly, and to be purchasing a $20 sponge every time you are done with one is a little expensive. So, and the Morphe ones are $7. Like, you cannot go wrong with $7. And you can get a ton of those. Okay, so I won't be buying from Beauty Blender. The next one is the YSL Vinyl Cream Lip Stain. I won't be buying that either. I don't need that, and that's also $37. No, absolutely not. Next item is the Urban Decay Primer Potion Original. You guys know this is my ride or die eyeshadow base, and you know what? That's the full size, I think. Yeah, that's the standard size, so it's $24. It is a bit up there. I'm not gonna lie. So that's the other. If you guys have a drugstore one that works just as good as this, please recommend it because this one's a bit expensive. So the one I've had for a while. So, and it does last a little bit, goes a long way. So, that might not be something I purchase because of the price. I'm trying to stick to more drugstore brands because drugstore is obviously more affordable and you can get more products for the price of one compared to Sephora. Alright, so the next item is the NARS bronzer powder. I don't have anything NARS. So $40 for a bronzer. No, you guys know that I use the Physicians Formula bronzer, butter bronzer that I love, and it smells amazing. So I still have some of that, so I'm not going to buy that NARS one. The next is the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I have enough mascaras. I don't need any more. I'm still interested in it, and if I get a chance, I might purchase it, but am I going to go out of my way to purchase it? Absolutely not. I heard it's great, so thumbs up for that. The next thing is the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter from Fenty Beauty. I do want that other highlighter, that one of the newest ones. I really do want it because it looks amazing. Let me see if it's this one. No, I don't think it's this one. I will not be buying any of these. As you guys know, I am more of a bronze highlighter kind of girl. This color will look too bright on me, and that's not my thing. However, so I won't be buying that highlighter, But I will be buying some other stuff from Fenty Beauty, and I will hopefully get around to making a video when I purchase the items so you guys can see what I purchased. The next thing is the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Yeah, pomade. I won't be buying this because you guys already know I don't do my brows, so there's no point in me buying it. I still have the brow definer that I need to do a video on that. I promise it's coming soon. It's just, I'm actually terrified to try to even do my brows because I don't know how they're going to turn out. So I'm not buying the Dip Brow Anastasia Beverly Hills. You guys know I don't die. You guys know I love that brand, so no shade to the brand. I love Anastasia, and Norvina is such, she's so pretty. Like, I wish I was on that PR list for sure. Anyways, and the last but not least is the Stila All That Shimmers and Glow Liquid Eye Shadow Set. Funny thing is, $25 is not bad, but I think these are the minis. Yeah, these are the minis. So just the full size, when I bought one, when they first came out, when they had only like five shades, I bought one and I still have it. However, it's so pretty. Like, they're so beautiful. However, the fallout on those things are crazy. They've always gotten around my eyes and I can't really do that. The glitter bothers me, and I don't like the falling out of the glitter, but I do use it. I do, and I love the color that I chose. So if you're gonna buy it, go ahead. Like, they're really pretty, and they're just a little expensive, which I get it because Stila is up there, but I love Stila. I have their liquid eyeliners. I have their liquid lipstick. What else do I have from Anastasia? Or not Anastasia, Stila. Oh, their mascara. I have 3 of their mascaras, so I really like their brand. There's just some things that I won't buy because I don't need it. I have products from other brands, so yeah. Anyway, so that was it, guys. That's what Sephora recommended me. Obviously, as you know and saw, that I'm not going to buy these items because they're just not for me, and there's not something that I'm interested in. So there is probably the Fenty Beauty I am interested in buying from her brand, and I will be buying from her brand soon. It's just it's really hard with all these new collections coming out, and not it's hard. You kind of have to choose. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was quick. I know it was just kind of like a chill video. I am sorry, it's just very chill, but it is the middle of the week, the end of October. It's Halloween. Nobody wants to sit here and watch me yap my mouth about things that I'm not going to buy from Sephora. I'm just joking, guys, but yeah, I just wanted to make a video for you guys. I know the sale was going on, so just choose, my best advice is just choose items that you're truly going to use. That's kind of how my collection is coming along. Obviously, I have things that I haven't gotten around to it because I usually have my go-tos, but I will be just trying to just use what I have so I don't purchase more that I don't need. But yeah, let me know if you're going to buy any of these items, if you're going to buy from the Sephora sale and take advantage of that. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is 3 times a week. Alright guys, I love you so much for your support, and I love you all. Bye guys.